Have you ever wondered why mechanics always stress the importance of regular maintenance? Oil changes, fluid services, filters, inspections, tire rotations, belt checks. A lot of people hear the word maintenance and immediately think it's just another expense. But maintenance isn't about spending money. It's about preventing much bigger expenses later. I'm Kevin with Kevin's Mobile Automotive Repair, and this is part of my Have You Ever Wondered Why series, where I break down real automotive questions drivers ask every day so you can better understand how your vehicle actually works. Let's start with something simple. Your car is made up of thousands of moving parts. Every time you drive, those parts are exposed to heat, friction, vibration, and pressure. Over time, those forces cause wear. Maintenance exists to control that wear before it becomes damage. Take engine oil, for example. Oil lubricates moving parts inside the engine. It reduces friction between metal surfaces and helps carry heat away from critical components. But oil doesn't last forever. Over time, it collects contaminants, breaks down from heat, and loses its ability to protect the engine. That's why oil changes are one of the most important maintenance services you can perform. Skipping oil changes allows sludge and contamination to build up inside the engine. Eventually, that buildup restricts oil flow and accelerates engine wear. Something as simple as an oil change can literally determine whether an engine lasts 200,000 miles or fails much earlier. Air filters are another example. Your engine needs clean air to burn fuel efficiently. When the air filter becomes clogged with dirt and debris, the engine has to work harder to pull in air. That reduces efficiency, lowers fuel economy, and can affect performance. Replacing a filter is inexpensive, but ignoring it over time affects how the engine runs. Fluids are another major part of vehicle maintenance. Your vehicle relies on several different fluids to operate correctly. Engine oil, transmission fluid, coolant, brake fluid, power steering fluid, differential fluid. Each fluid serves a specific purpose, and each one breaks down over time. Transmission fluid lubricates gears and controls hydraulic pressure inside the transmission. Brake fluid transfers pressure when you press the brake pedal. Coolant regulates engine temperature and prevents overheating. When these fluids degrade or become contaminated, the systems they protect begin to wear more quickly. Replacing fluids on schedule helps extend the life of major components. Then there are belts and hoses. Rubber components are constantly exposed to heat cycles and pressure changes. Over time they harden, crack, or weaken. A worn belt or hose may look fine one day and fail the next. Preventative inspection helps catch these problems before they leave you stranded. Another important part of maintenance involves the tires. Your tires are the only part of the vehicle that actually touches the road. Proper tire pressure improves fuel economy, traction, and tire life. Rotating the tires regularly helps them wear evenly and last longer. Wheel alignment ensures the tires roll straight and reduces unnecessary drag on the vehicle. These simple steps improve safety and reduce long-term costs. Maintenance also allows technicians to inspect the vehicle and identify small issues early. A small coolant leak caught during an inspection is usually an inexpensive repair. The same leak ignored for months could lead to overheating and major engine damage. The same idea applies to brakes. Replacing brake pads early is a routine maintenance service. Ignoring worn pads long enough can damage the brake rotors, increasing the cost of the repair significantly. Maintenance isn't just about replacing parts. It's about monitoring the condition of the vehicle over time. Modern vehicles are extremely reliable, but they still rely on proper care. Even the most advanced engines depend on clean fluids, proper lubrication, and healthy components. Think of maintenance the same way you think about health. Regular checkups help identify issues before they become serious. Waiting until something fails usually means the repair will be more expensive. The same principle applies to vehicles. When maintenance is performed regularly, most problems are caught early and fixed before they grow into major failures. When maintenance is ignored, small issues accumulate until they cause bigger problems. And bigger problems usually mean bigger repair bills. So have you ever wondered why maintenance is so important for your car? It's not just about keeping the vehicle running today. It's about protecting the engine, transmission, and other major systems so the vehicle continues running reliably for years. Maintenance is one of the simplest and most effective ways to extend the life of your vehicle. I'm Kevin with Kevin's Mobile Automotive Repair, and this is part of my Have You Ever Wondered Why series.